Welcome students, this is Chandan Singh Negi. In last session we have discussed about the operations on the real numbers, and today we solve some problems related to that and a new concept, that is the rationalization of the denominator. And first what we have discussed yesterday, that is the last sessions, we will solve problem related to that. That is example. Now this is express. Oh yeah, this is, oh yeah, that is don't write this express, like write this is simplify. Apart from the express, that is simplify the expression, simplify this expression. Like this one, the part 1 is 2 plus root 5 into, that is the multiply sign. If the small bracket or middle bracket and last bracket is the numbers are written this is inside that means that is the multiply sign. That is we write this is which we have learned in earlier classes. Thus 2 into 3 plus root 11, you can do it directly if you know that. This is under root 5 into 3 plus root 11, and just write this is 2 distributive law. It is called distributive law. This is 2 into 3 plus 2 into under root 11 plus under root 5 into 3 plus under root 5 into under root 11. Now simplify this one. 3 to just 6, this is, and 2 into root 11, and it cannot be further solved. We cannot write it this is under root 22. It is not like that. Now this is write the first rational number and then irrational, so that there is no confusion. And it is 3 root 5. This is under root 5 into under root 11 is under root 55. And now this is under root, that one under root, this is 5 into 11 and 55. If you don't know this one, then we will discuss it in the next session. Now these are all are unlike term, we cannot further add this one. That is the simplification of this one. Now the most important part, second part, this is, if it is written this is 7 minus root 3 into root 7 plus root 3. Let's check it. This is both are the same. That in first term this is minus sign and second one is the plus sign. That means a minus b into a plus b. That is equivalent to, we have earlier studied in previous classes, that is a square plus b square. Now see, put the value. This is equivalent to under root 7 whole square minus root 3 whole square. Now this is under root 7 square is 7 and minus root 3 square is 3 is equivalent to 4. This is irrational number, this is irrational number, and irrational number, irrational number, then further multiplied, that is a rational number. Right, that is the part B. Rationalization of the denominator. Rationalization of the denominator. Rationalize the denominator of the denominator. That is the next concept of that first chapter. How to rationalize the denominator. That means what does it mean? That means if the denominator is a rational number, and then we have to convert it into rational number under mathematical operations, or not by yourself. That is like this upon under root a. A is not a perfect square. That means this under root a is a rational number. What we do, we multiply this same irrational number. That means under root a into under root a in denominator and in numerator, so that mathematically it is correct. Then this is under root a into under root a, under root a into under root a, this is a. Right, so that is, now this is rational number and this is irrational number. Let's check it. This is like this one. If it is 1 by under root 3, so what we do, this is under root 3 into under root 3, and if I have multiplied this under root 3 on denominator, then we have to multiply it numerator also. So that is under root 3 upon under root 3 into 3. Here this is irrational number, and now this is rational number. This is called rationalization of the denominator. Right? And second type of problem, that is like if it is under root a plus under root b, and under root a and under root b both are irrational number, then what we do? We do a plus b into a minus b. This is a plus under root b into under root a minus under root b, and same process at numerator, under root a minus under root b. Right, this is equal to under root a minus under root b, and a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Now this is irrational number, now it is rational number. And now look at a numerical problem. Numerical, this is 1 upon root 2 minus root 3 is equal to 1 into under root 2 minus under root 3 into under root 2 plus under root 3, the same under root 2 plus under root 3. Now look at this one. This is under root 2 plus under root 3, that is a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. This is equal to under root 2 plus under root 3 divided by 2 minus 3. This is equal to 2 plus root 3 upon minus 1. That is a rational number. What we have done in the denominator, whatever the sign is there in between the two numbers, whether one rational or irrational or both are the irrationals, then with the opposites of that sign, that is if it is a minus sign, between this is minus sign, that is the minus sign, so we multiply it by plus sign. Only we talking about this one, not this sign. This one, that is a plus sign, this is plus sign. We are talking about this sign between these two numbers, these two irrational numbers here. So we have to multiply it by opposite of this sign. If it is a plus sign, so we write it per plus, and here the minus sign, that is minus sign. If it is minus sign, so we have multiplied by plus sign, that is plus sign. Right? So we get this one, and the result is the denominator is now a rational number. And we will solve some more problems regarding the rationalization of denominator in the next session. Thank you, students.